cable tester is a popular feature carried over from previous versions. This is a simple yet effective pin-to-pin test for 5-pin DMX cables. Additionally, we have an automatic bandwidth test which determines cable performance. This is one of our extremely popular Proplex DMX cable assemblies, built to order right here in the same building. I'm going to take both ends, male and female, and connect to the top ports of the IQ tester. As soon as the cable is connected, the test will automatically start. As you can see, all results are color-coded. A quality cable with strong soldered connections will report green status on all pins and bandwidth tests.